All right, I'm in the BMW this morning, and I had the check engine light. Check engine light been coming on for a minute, and when I ran the codes, it said, let me show you what codes it said on here. It's got working. Okay, it kept coming up like misfire and running rich. Try to let you clear so y'all can see it. Read codes. And I had I just changed the ignition coils and the spark plugs on the car. And store codes. So after I did all that, so you said number 5 defected. What is that? Multiple cylinder misfire detected. Cylinder 4 running rich, bank 2, and misfire number 5. Well, anyway, long story short, come to find out it's the injectors. I got a few injectors leaking in this car. So, and them damn injectors is expensive, but I know anything about it. They like $200 a piece. So I end up getting all 6 off eBay for $140. So I'm gonna make another video and show you me putting them in. Ain't very hard. It's very easy to put in. I got a couple more stuff I need to dress. Need to put my brakes on. But I'm gonna make a video of that. And then this traction. I hit a damn raccoon one morning and knocks the TPS off. And I ordered one. I got it on, but evidently it ain't the one for the car. So I just got to put another one on. But anyway, stay tuned.